Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a different video than I typically do. I get all kind of offers to collaborate, and if they don't have to do with DIY or maybe a product that I can use in a project, I turn them down. So this is something completely different, but everybody loves to eat. So I was contacted by Eat to Evolve, and I initially thought, well, I'm going to probably turn this one down too. But the representative was so nice, and I thought, you know what? I really hate to cook. It's not that I'm a bad cook. I joke that I'm a bad cook. I'm not. I just am often so busy that I don't take time to cook. Also, my teenage son is very picky. So I don't want to cook a big meal that only I'm eating. So when they contacted me, I initially thought I was going to turn them down. And I thought, you know what? I might as well give it a try. Everyone loves to eat. And who doesn't like having things sent straight to your house? I know with the pandemic, I have my groceries most of the time delivered to my house, or I pick up. So our way of shopping has evolved. If you've been to the grocery store recently, this is being filmed in February 2022, you've noticed that the prices for everything have gone up. I mean, they're just outrageous. So after I accepted their offer to show their products, I thought, okay, so they gave me a certain amount to spend and I'm probably going to get like 3 entrees, which was not the case. The prices were very good. I was able to get a whole, picking up this box, it was heavy to bring down here in my basement. So the prices are really good and I will share those with you, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing video, which I'm turning this really long by rambling. So I'm going to open this up and show you what I picked out. So they did give me a discount code. It's Miss DeWalt. I will include that in the bio. That saves you money off of your first purchase. So it's not frozen food. And I like that it's healthy. It's fresh, never frozen, fresh, but they realize that maybe you can't eat it all. So it does give you instructions how to freeze. Everything in the boxes is all recyclable. I like that. And they have a line, it's saying they have a line of snacks, trail mixes, pantry items, and more. So they also have keto, paleo, and it talks about all the things. They have like no wheat, dairy. So if you have a special diet, it does go over all of the different options. I don't have any restrictions. I really love, I can't even list like maybe on one hand the food I don't like. So here's what I got. And it comes with like an ice pack thing. So everything is cool. And everything is neatly, oh, this is neat. Oh my gosh. All right, so already, this is one of the, what did I order? Okay, now this is a grab and go, which I believe when I picked it out, they consider this more of like a snacky item. So this would be good for people that maybe work remotely and they want to take and pack their lunch. That would be good for something like that. This would be good for kids, like for a lunch. But in this is the grab and go herb chicken. So there's herb chicken and apple cinnamon trail mix and carrot sticks. So that's what I got. And I think I got a couple, no. Okay, so that's the grab and go herb chicken. And I also got this grab and go buffalo chicken. And that has celery, carrots, and then up here it looks like almonds with the buffalo chicken. And then there's a dip, which my son is very picky, but I already know that he's going to like this. I try to order things that I thought he might like. So I got a whole bunch of these snack type things. Grab and go ranch chicken. Okay, so I got the herb chicken and then a ranch chicken. But these are great for people that have to pack a lunch. It's already done. And then, like they said, everything's recyclable. So I got a bunch of those. And actually, when I got to order, I went through and picked out what I absolutely wanted first. And then, like, I'm like, man, I can't believe I still have more money to spend. So this is egg roll in a bowl with cabbage, mushrooms, and egg. And I realize it's kind of smashed in there and it probably doesn't look as attractive as it will on a bowl. And it tells you how do you heat this. Okay, so it looks like this is microwavable. Okay, and this looks really good. This is brisket and cheese with brown rice pasta. I think I'm gonna have that for dinner. But doesn't that look good? I got, this looks awesome, beef and broccoli. This is Chipotle chicken and old-fashioned chicken salad, which everything is, like I said, it's like shrink wrapped in there. It still looks good though. And taco bake. Everything looks super healthy, which I am a healthy eater, so I really appreciate that. I would not be promoting anything that had a lot of preservatives and just junk food. And then here's another grab and go Southwest chicken salad. So I will probably be creating TikToks that show these actually warmed up and on a plate and looking more attractive than just shrink wrapped in here. But I went and that's it. So everything comes, I'll show you how it comes packed. So here's a look at the inside of the container. Everything comes with these nice freezer packs. Everything is lined to not get damaged. And so that is a look at the inside. Okay, fast forward, it is now dinner time. I heated up the brisket and the pasta. It took like a minute to heat it up. Everything is really fresh, super healthy. This is a nice big, I mean, this is a big bowl. So the portions are a nice size. There are, if you can see, it's already like spices and flavors are already on here. And it is really good. The brisket has like a barbecue sauce almost. Since I filmed the video, I ate the herb chicken at lunch. It was really good. The herb chicken had a very good flavor to it. So far, both of the things that I tried are really good. If you are interested in purchasing this line, like I said, I will include it in my links. I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.